Okay, so you need to reverse an next program, reverse an array list in place. So you remembered we did a reverse array in place, right? We have done that. So here, almost similar kind of procedure we are using, but thing is, so we are going to have the collection methods you are going to use here, set method you are going to use. So that method will help you to arrange the elements wherever you want. So array we did it differently, but here we are doing it differently. Okay, so how to reverse an array list in place? Okay, so let's do that. So you're going to get the array list. Okay, so see here, private static void reverse array list in place. And so first create a list. So list of string. See, this is the generic type. List of food equal to new array list. So angular bracket. Both sides you have to put angular bracket. Mandatory. So but the right hand side here, not required to specify. So not mandatory, but if you specify also good. There is no harm. Okay. So, but left side mandatory to specify the data type. Now see, I'm adding all the elements, the collection name dot. See how to add multiple elements using add all method. Add all method inside you have to use again arrays dot as list method. Arrays dot as list method. So beans, soup, right? See that I am adding all the elements, beans, soup, dark chocolate, yogurt, sausage, pure vegetables, nuts. See, almost 7 elements we added, right? 7 elements we added. So out of 7, what is the reverse means what? Same, the position should be same, only values will shift. So beans should go to nuts place, nuts should come to beans place. So here also, pure vegetables will go to soup place, soup will go to pure vegetables place. So remember the logic what I have given, half, you have to split off. So size by 2 only, size by 2 only will iterate. So you won't iterate. So all the way from first element to last element, you won't iterate. You will iterate only till half. So that the time complexity will be less. And also it's very, very fast. You can arrange in the reverse order. See this. So I'm just printing the collection of elements. Then get the size, int size equal to list of food dot size method, collection dot size method. Now let's iterate the collection. So using for loop, for int I equal to 0, first element onwards I'm starting. That's why my initialization is 0. And then the size by 2 till size by 2 only you have to iterate. Then I plus plus. So get final string food item. First food item you get it. So first food item, how will you get it? So how will you get the collection elements? Collection name dot get of I. So you should not hard code get of I. So first time you will get a beans. So beans will be get. So first you will check here, right? You will check I equal to 0 and 0 less than 7 by 2. That is true. It's a true. It's a true. So comes inside. So the value will store here, right? So 0 means get of 0 means this one. Beans will store here. So now, so you need to set, right? This. So you need to set the last element in the first place. First element in the last place. So let's go and set that. So let's go and set the last element, you get it and put it in the first place. So collection dot set I. So collection dot set I, comma. So collection name dot get of size minus size. Size minus I minus 1. Size minus I minus 1. So that is, so list of food dot get size minus I minus 1. So this is the thing. So you have to get that. So I value is 0. So I value 0, right? Currently. So 0 place. So why I am putting this minus I minus 1? Anybody knows?
To get the last index.
So you have to come back from left, no, right to left. So that's why I'm subtracting the I value so that you will get a next value. So right to left you can move. That's why I'm doing this. So now 0 place, you are setting nuts value. You are getting the last element, right? Get of size means 7 minus 0 minus 1, 6. 6 means nuts. So nuts will store there. Again, list of food dot set. So you need to put this item in the last place. So give set method. First give the size and then item name. That is size minus I minus 1. So that's the index number and the food item. So 6th place you're putting beans. So system.out.println and after reverse array list is list of food. Okay. So list of food, you're going to keep it. So that's the how you can reverse array list in place. You can reverse array list in place. See that. So first I'm printing here original list of food. After reverse array list also, I'm printing both of them. So that's the array list. Okay. See this. So now so that's the how to so reverse array list in place. The logic is similar even for numbers also. It doesn't change. If it is a string or numbers, it doesn't change. The logic is same. Set method you need to remember. Okay, set. Okay, this value you set it here. So this value you set it here, the index place, position and the element. So that's a set method. So any other questions here before going for the next program?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So the next one is okay. So this is the one set collection related. Then we can close for the day. Tomorrow we'll cover the map. So union and intersection. How many of you know union and intersection in our maths? Well, it's all mathematics only. If your programs you are solving means, if you know good mathematics and Java concepts, you can solve this. Okay. See here. So print union. So you are giving it two array elements, two arrays, array 1 and array 2. You have to union. So union means I hope you all know, right? So intersection means joining point, right? Where this joins. So the create hash set collection first. So that's a set angular bracket integer hs equal to new hash set. So set is implemented by hash set class. That's why we're creating hash set object. So iterate the first array and add each element to the set collection. So first add this array elements to this set collection. So for int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. hs dot add array of I. So each array element you add it to this collection. Iterate the second array and add each element to set collection. So for int I j equal to 0, j less than array dot 2 dot length j plus plus. Then adding the second array elements also to the collection. So using add method. So array of 2 j. So then print the set collection. So that's a union. So intersection means, so you need to, so intersection means combined, right? Common elements. So the common elements you have to print it. So array 1 elements, array 2 elements. So arrays dot 2 string array 1, arrays dot 2 string array 2. So set integer hs equal to new hash set. So this one. Okay, so then I'm iterating the first array and add each element to the set collection. So hs dot add same way, but iterate the second array and add each element to set collection. So see, I'm using here. See one logic here. Previously you added directly, right? Here you are adding a contains method. So if hs dot contains array 2 of j, then only print that. So the common elements you are printing. So that's what array 2 of j, which is common, that you are printing. So that's the how to print the intersection of elements. See, this is the generic type for both set collection and list collection I have shown. So print duplicate elements. How to print duplicate elements using set collection. See that set integer hs equal to new hash set. So this one and array elements are, I'm just printing arrays dot toString array1. See, loop only for loop. Everywhere for loop we are using to iterate the elements. Because group of elements, how you can iterate? Using for loop only. For int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length, I plus plus. If hs dot add array of I is equal to false, so when you will get a add method returns a false, if that element is already present, then it will return false. Then print that element. Then that is already there means it's a duplicate, right? That's the value you are printing. So this is the simple logic you have to build. So these logics you need to remember. How to remove the duplicates with the set collection also. You can just print like this. Okay, any questions? So tomorrow we'll start the map. No questions?
Nothing, sir.
Yeah, okay. So please practice and come back tomorrow.